and do the yes, here. So I'm gonna show you if you got like a raft there or something, a beam on the way. See, you can do that type of angle. So we're here in my shop. I just got this pipe bender that it looks really good. It comes with the case, with the pipe cutter, a cleaner, some extensions for you to support the pipe itself. So it comes with a color coordination, and it also comes with the sizes on the side. If you look at the green one, it has 3/4 on the side. So that I think this is a hydraulic system, as you see. It has a quick release where it releases the pressure on it, and it also has this adapter for you to support your pipe on different dimensions. For copper, for HVAC, and for aluminum for your electrical things if you want. That way you can do all three things at once. And we're gonna show you how to use it. So we're gonna remove this. This piece goes here, just put it right there. And we're gonna use a medium-sized support for the pipe. Gonna put it right there. And so it all depends how much you wanna bend. That's how big you need this support. That's what it's for, basically. If you want a bigger twist or a smaller twist. So we're gonna test it out right now.
All right, we're gonna release it now so you guys can see. You release the pressure. Look at that. Now we're gonna show you the pipe, how it looks, all right? So take out the pipe. Look at that bend. So if you guys are looking for something simple to bend like this, copper, metal, oh wow, this is aluminum for your, like I said, your electrical, copper for plumbing, or HVAC, all right? So very simple. Now we did struggle at the end, but the best way is to flip it around and get that extra pressure, your body weight into it, so it could get a better bend. So different sizes, easy to put together. Hope you guys enjoy the video.